morning, good morning, good morning to you. It is Saturday, July 21st, 2018, and this is Gardening with Larry on LARÉ TV. Nobody has answered my question. I think one person took a guess at how many plants they think I have. So when you watch this video update today, if you can guess how many plants I have in my garden, I'm going to fly you round trip to Colorado and back. And you're going to come see my garden, okay? So that'll give you some incentive. Are you seeing this array back here? I haven't even started. Man, I tell you what, the video is getting pretty good. It's looking like National Geographic around here. I tell you, this is a heavenly array. I believe this is from God. This is just outstanding. We're going to take a tour of my garden today. That's going to be the bulk of the update. For those of you watching from around the world, you know who you are. Well, I'm broadcasting from beautiful western Colorado. You see those clouds up there? I just noticed that. Those look like lenticular clouds. Those are warm weather clouds. Those lens-shaped kind of smooth clouds. I'm a meteorologist at heart, by the way. I'm a lot of things. I wear a lot of hats. And I got a guy behind me smoking a pipe, so I think I'll take a break. The beauty of this garden is just overwhelming. I don't have any other words. Overwhelming. Man, I'm just so excited. I am just blown away. This is one of my east side plants that you've been watching on my updates. It's beautiful. It's still looking really, really good. And here's the other east side plant now opening up. Been watching this guy, been measuring this guy. He's about as tall as me, 70 inches. The bees are in abundance. You can hear them, see them flying past the camera. Here's a little guy back here. Good morning. This was actually one of the first plants I did time-lapse photography on, and I'm going to show you some of that in one of these updates. Hello there, hiding behind the leaf. Beautiful. And I got some new ones opening up on this sunny morning, on this hot summer day. We've had a very dry summer. This is one of the warmest summers I've ever seen here. There's so many new ones opening up now, it's getting hard to catch everybody. Some new ones here, beautiful, good morning, from the garden. They have their hands, it looks like when they're opening up, they have their hands and their hair across their face and they're being shy. As you can see, there's lots of flowers on a lot of these plants, which will open up shortly. These guys are getting ready to open up. You can see tomorrow they'll be opening up. I'm becoming an expert at knowing that. This one will open up soon. This one's the one I was measuring in the middle of the garden. Look at him today. I heard somebody say beautiful, fantastic, heavenly. I'm in my own surreal world out here. This is my sanctuary. This is my escape. This is my haven. This is over the rainbow stuff, folks. As we swing around, we'll talk to him in a second, but I got my little ones going on down here. These guys opened up a 3 days ago. Look at the bees. The bees, like I said, have been in abundance. This is one of the more prettier flowers. Here's another one over here getting ready to open up. And behind it, we see another beautiful flower. I got bees flying around my face. But I'm hopefully friends with the bees by now. The bumblebees are amazing. Here's a new one opening up today. We can see the other flowers up to the left. Absolutely amazing. Here's a beautiful one. And another one with his hair in front of his eyes, shy. Look at this guy opening up. Beautiful. Hope you're enjoying this with the music. Gardening with LARÉ. Look at that shot there. Man, this is the flower that's really been one of my favorites. Probably the favorite. It's still going. Let's hope he keeps going. Really adds to this garden. Don't want him to go away. That's a pretty cool shot right there. That sky, that deep blue sky. We'll get close to this guy. I don't talk a lot about my pumpkins. I think it's because I'm so focused on my sunflowers, but you got to see this pumpkin patch. It has overgrown the garden. I'm gonna have a lot of pumpkins, and it's just growing higher now, and it would continue forever if I didn't have it enclosed in a fenced area. So that's how fast this thing's growing. But look at this. My pumpkin patch stretches from way over here. I know some of it's in shadow right now still, but you still get an idea. You've seen pictures of it all the way down there. It's going through the fence. Anyways, there's a pumpkin down here growing. I want you to see this. Look at that. See that guy? I've got several of those, probably more than I know. It's gonna be a pumpkin. It's gonna be a pumpkin, Charlie Brown. But the bees are busy in here, and I told you that before. There's 2 of them in there in the flower. Remember about the birds and the bees. I'm not gonna disturb them, but they're in all these flowers, hopefully pollinating and doing their thing. But these vines are just incredible. They're growing everywhere. They're growing everywhere along the path here. They've taken over. Look at this. There's 2 more down there. I don't want to disturb them. They're kind of in the shadow. I don't want to water yet because I think it bothers them. But again, these vines are just going nuts. This is Gardening with LARÉ. Thank you for watching my video update as I leave you with this heavenly array of sunflowers. Every day is a new adventure. There'll be more flowers tomorrow and then the next day as we continue on this amazing journey which started on May 7th with tiny seeds in the ground. Say goodbye, guys. Okay, that's a wrap. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Cut.